Hello and welcome to our first video in the series about crochet mandalas. In this video, we will be discussing the basics of crochet mandalas and the main elements that make up these beautiful works of art. So, whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, stay tuned to learn all about the world of crochet mandalas. What are crochet mandalas? Crochet mandalas are circular pieces of art that are made up of various elements that come together to create a stunning design. They can be small or large, simple or complex, and can be used in a variety of ways, such as wall hangings, coasters, or even blankets. They are loved by many crafters around the world for their beauty and versatility. Now let's take a closer look at the main elements of a crochet mandala. Center. The center of a mandala is the starting point for the entire design. It can be a simple circle or a more intricate design that sets the tone for the rest of the mandala. The center can be made up of one or more colors and can be worked in various stitches to create different textures. Rounds. The rounds of a mandala are what create the circular shape. They can be made up of different stitches and colors to add texture and interest. The number of rounds can vary depending on the size and complexity of the mandala. Borders. Many mandalas have a border that frames the design and adds a finishing touch. Borders can be simple or complex, depending on the overall style of the mandala. They can be worked in one or more colors and can be used to create a contrast with the rest of the design. Motifs. Motifs are small designs that are repeated throughout the mandala to create a cohesive look. They can be floral, geometric, or abstract, and can be used to add color and texture to the design. The motifs can be worked in different sizes and colors to create a dynamic effect. Color. One of the most important elements of a crochet mandala is color. Different shades and combinations can create vastly different looks, from bold and vibrant to soft and subtle. Color can be used to highlight certain elements of the mandala and to create a sense of harmony and balance throughout the design. Incorporating these elements into your crochet mandala will help you create a beautiful and unique piece of art that you'll be proud to display. We hope that this video has given you a good understanding of the basics of crochet mandalas and the main elements that make up these beautiful works of art. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos in this series where we'll be exploring different techniques and designs to help you create your own stunning crochet mandalas. Thanks for watching.